Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to download and install the Smartest Pro player on your Fire TV device. This is going to be a full guide. That means I will show you every single step you need to follow on your FireStick device to install the application from the very first step right up to the last. So that means you need to watch the video right up to the end and follow with keen attention to get everything I show in this video. So this is my Fire TV device, and I'm going to be showing you how to install the Smartest Pro application on your Fire TV device. So please, if you find this video helpful, please make sure you like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. And if you've been watching my YouTube channel and you want me to create a particular video on a particular topic for you, just let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create something important for you. So please also, if you want to send me a gift, I'll be very appreciative. So let's go ahead straight to business. I don't have anything installed yet, so I will show everything in this video. So the very first thing we need to do to install this application is to have the downloader application on our Fire TV device. And it is very easy to install downloader on our Fire TV device. All you have to do is go over to the search bar over here, or the find button, and go back to the search button and type in D. Now as you type in D, it is going to bring you to the download application. There's a suggestion over here. Just click on it and it will bring you to this page over here. Now you might be wondering, why are we installing this application and not the Smartest Pro? This is because the Smartest Pro, you are not going to find it over here. You need to install the download application, and then you can use the download application to install the Smartest Pro application to your Fire TV device. So that's why we need the downloader, because this is an application that allows us to install applications by just typing in codes on our Fire TV device. So go over here and install downloader. So it is very simple. Go over here, click on downloader, and the application is going to start downloading to our Fire TV device. It wouldn't take a lot of time. It just take a couple of seconds and the application is done. So just give it a second. Once it's done downloading, it's going to install, and then we can go ahead and use it on our Fire TV device. So the very first step is done. We've downloaded downloader. Just return home. So we've downloaded downloader, which is the very first and maybe the most important step on our Fire TV device if we want to install the Smartest Pro player on our Fire TV device. The next step is to make sure that our Fire TV device can allow us to install applications from unknown sources, since we are using downloader and not this button over here. So we need to make sure our Fire TV device is able to install applications from unknown sources. To do that is very simple. Go back to your settings and you come to the option that says My Fire TV. So this is the option that we need here. So once you launch that option, if you see this option here that says developer options, then I have a pretty good guess that your Fire TV allows you already to install applications from unknown sources. Now I just want to state, not all Fire TV devices are going to do this. The new Fire TV device, the Fire TV Select, is never going to allow you to sideload applications. So if you have it, please don't waste your time. You won't be able to install the application. So once you're here, if this option is already showing good and fine, if you don't have this option, this is how to turn it on. Come back to the option here that says About, click on it, and you see the name of your Fire TV device. Mine is a Fire TV Stick 4K. I don't know what yours could be, but whatever option it is, on this Fire TV Stick name, click on the OK button on your Fire TV 5 times. Just click on the OK button or the Done button 5 times until there's a pop-up below that says No need, you are already a developer. As you turn on that option, then the developer option has been turned on your Fire TV device. Now, why do we need this turned on? I'm about to tell you. So once you go over to the option and turn it on, it has two options: ADP debugging and apps from unknown sources. This second option is what we are interested in. This is the second option. Once it is turned on, our Fire TV device will be able to install applications from unknown sources. So please make sure that once you go over here, you go ahead and turn this on your Fire TV device. Once you turn it on, you can then return home, and I bet you'll be able to install applications from unknown sources. So mine is turned on. So please do same for yours, and you can return home now. So we've done the two most important steps. We've installed the download application to our Fire TV device. We've made sure that our Fire TV device is able to install applications from unknown sources. So once those two steps are done, the next thing we need to do is to use the downloader to install the application to our Fire TV device. It is very simple. Let's start by launching the downloader on our Fire TV device, and here's it over here. We just installed it a couple of seconds ago. So once you're here for your first time, just allow this and allow this, and then in the box Let me just give you a quick explanation over here. If you don't know how to use downloader, it is very simple. The way you use downloader is just type in simple codes over here or keywords. And what those codes do, you can launch an application or install an application, or you can even launch a URL. So the easiest way to go over to a URL without typing a long link is by typing in a downloader code. So in this case here, we need to type in a downloader code to install the application we have in question. The downloader code we type here is 477 477 866. So that is the code in question, 866. So please make sure you type in the right code, 477 866. Please, it's 866, not 8666. So here's the right code. If you make a mistake, please, this will end up not working for you. So please type in the right code and then you can go ahead and launch. Once you launch, this is going to go straight away to a page that allows you to install the application. So here's the application over here, and it's going to start installing to your Fire TV device, or download it, sorry, to your Fire TV device. So just give it a moment when the application start downloading. So here's it over here. It's going to start downloading. It's a kind of heavy, so it's 77 megabytes. So just watch on or wait on while the application downloads. Now there's something I really want to recommend to you as a Fire TV user. Browsing on the internet cannot be secure always. So you don't know what you can come across on the internet. You can come across risky information or risky sites. So please make sure that you use a VPN while browsing on the internet. So that's it. In the description of this video, there is a recommendation of a VPN that I will recommend to anyone. For me, it's the best VPNs they can use on your FireStick device. So just check it out. There's currently a discount going on, and if you click the link in my description right now, you're going to get a discount. So go ahead and check it out and install it to your Fire TV device. So once you are here, the application has been downloaded. So come over here and we can install it to our Fire Stick device. So click on install and the application is going to start installing. It's not going to take a lot of time. So once it's done installing, just give it a moment. Once it's done installing, you are going to know it's going to see the application has been installed. So here is it is installed. So please click done, delete this from your Fire Stick device, and then you can return home and I'll show you how to launch the application. So since we've installed it, we can return home now. So we've done three things. We've downloaded downloader, we've made sure that our Fire TV device can install application from our own sources, and now we've installed the application. Now we just need to go ahead and launch the application. And once you launch it, this is how it's going to look like. So please, it's going to choose your device option. You see it is either mobile or TV. So we're using TV, so we're going to click save. So once you save, it's going to bring you to these terms and conditions. Please, this is very important. This application does not own content. It does not give you content to watch. Rather, you are the one to provide your content by using a provision link. So you see, read when come over to a disclaimer below here. It says IPTV Smart Hotspot does not provide or solicit any audiovisual content to the users. Smart Hotspot has no affiliation or with any third-party provider whatsoever. Users must provide their own content. So as a user, you must provide your own content to use the application. So make sure that you have your own content. Once you go over here, there are options to add playlists by typing in codes that are going to bring you to your own content. And that's how to install this application to your Fire TV device. And if you found the video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.